How to fix login error on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video we will discuss how we can fix login errors on Instagram. So you want to make sure to stick with me around till the very end. Now there are three main reasons why you've been having the login issue. One is the application or maybe the server bug. The other is the issue with your account, maybe you got banned or anything as such. The other is the credentials issue, which means that your email address could be incorrect, your username could be incorrect, or maybe your password could simply be incorrect. And these are the three main reasons, and we're going to get into each of those. Now to get started with the first one, which could be a bug in and of itself, in order to fix that, what you can try to do is long press on the Instagram app icon, go to the app information page by tapping the I button. If you're on iPhone, you might as well want to try to offload the application. Scroll down, go to storage, clear data, and also possible then clear the cache files as well. Once you've done that, open the Play Store application, search for Instagram, check if Instagram has an update. If it has, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Now that is the first way to fix the bug. The other is how you can fix the account issue. Now meaning that maybe your account got banned and got limited for some reasons. That could be happening when Instagram might have noticed unusual behavior from your account. In that case, you can try installing a VPN and changing your IP address in order to log into Instagram. Or maybe you can try to log in from your web browser, because if you have a web browser installed, you can try to log in from that as well. If you have some other devices, try to log in, try to switch your Wi-Fi as well. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data, and if you're using cellular data, vice versa, which means try to switch to Wi-Fi if you're doing the opposite of each of these. Because what this does is that it is going to change the IP address, and when you change the IP address, Instagram might give you access to your account, and in most of the cases you could actually simply wait until 24 hours to get this fixed. And the last reason as to why this happens is due to incorrect credentials. And in order to fix incorrect credentials, the first thing I would recommend you do is, if your Instagram is connected to your Facebook, you can just try logging in with Facebook, because the process to reset and all is a very lengthy process, for which I'm also going to leave for another video. You can watch the video link in the description box below, or else just to give you a short idea on it, you can just tap on the login button from the bottom, just go to get help with logging in, try to enter the email and the password. If your password is incorrect, you can try to simply reset the password of your account via your email address or your phone number. So these are the three main reasons why you could be having the login error on Instagram, and I showed you respectively how you can fix it as well. If this solution helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below as to which of these solutions helped you solve the issue. If you've got any more questions, also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.